Welcome out of the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. You know, for about a year and a half now, I've been trying to shave like a gentleman. Today, I'm going to try and shave like a president. This is Strike Gold Shave Ike. I just recently got this. This is their vegan formula. These are, Frank Misa is the owner of Strike Gold Shave, and I'll get into that in a little bit. These are made for him exclusively by Jennifer Marting. She was formerly of Mason Boutique and now of Decadent Bubbles. There's a variety of different scents with those. Like I said, this is the vegan base, and they are going to be coming out with their tallow base, which they're calling Commander-in-Chief. It's a CIC base. Scent notes on this one are citrus, spice accord, violet, iris, cedar, sandalwood, guy, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, and ambergris. I believe in my last video I called it ambergris. I think it's ambergris. So, you can see it's a very, very firm soap. Now, just so happens that I've got also a brand new West Coast Shaving tortoise shell, 24mm synthetic seafoam color. Why is it apropos? Because West Coast Shaving is going to start carrying Frank's soaps. So, just going to dip our brush, get a little wet. So it'll be first time using this. Get most of the water out. I tilt this down. Wearing my Spiffle grooming shirt, so we're talking about several different companies today. So. We should have a good load on there. And if not, I have to come back and get it for more. It's no problem. As usual, guys, we're going to be using our Thirsty Badger Jared Français lather bowl. So, just grab a little dab of water out of the sink. So today is March 24th, I believe, 2019. Now what Frank is telling me is that his scents, his soaps, should be available at West Coast Shaving, hopefully within the next couple of weeks. Guess what's inside? I'll building that up. Now what he's also telling me is that on his Etsy site, Strike Gold Shave. Of course, I'll post the links to this stuff below. He is also going to be one of two places that exclusively carry the Brush Guy. Now, the Brush Guy happens to be, and I've got this information written down, so I can't remember, Matthew Martin, who happens to be Jennifer's husband. He makes resin handles. Frank Misa of Strike Gold Shave is going to be carrying the 24mm. And West Coast Shaving is going to be carrying the 26mm handles. So he's very excited about that. So if you want to find Matthew's products there, that's it. Pick up one from Matthew, pick up one from his wife Jennifer. Frank, amongst many things, restores brushes and handles and all that. He sells straight razors. He takes gold dollars and ZYs if you're American, ZY if you're Canadian. Puts his own edge on there. He also offers honing services, and he's also offering apparel like shirts. He's got a minion handle, which is very cool. He sells a variety of different nuts. So, wait, this is one I got from him a little while ago. He just left the factory scales, which is fine. This is a gold dollar 219. It's his edge. So, we'll get this tied up out of the way. First time using this soap, first time using this brush. As you guys know, I don't make huge big lather. probably because my goatee gets in the way and it's a little bit harder for me to build up on my face. But you can already see. What we're getting out of this, like I said, without any effort whatsoever. I've been kind of looking at these for a while. I know it's hard to see the tortoiseshell pattern. Oh, actually, it is going to show up in the camera. The seafoam green, so great lather going on there, guys. And I've used this razor once or twice before. Very smooth edge on this. Now just take your time. I know some guys that are scared of straight razors. Take your time and don't rush through it. Keep your blade nice and clean, keep your scales nice and dry, keep your fingers nice and dry. No pre-shave, just wet the face and apply lather. See, with my beard, I don't need to do it. I don't seem to need to. I can seem to be able to get away with less prep work than other guys do. So we're going to go with the hand we know. I do razor buffering. That's the way I've always done it. Skin stretch. And the other thing you'll notice that I do, and I think other straight razor guys do, there's no wrist action. It's all in your arm. Hold my wrist tight, not rigid, but hold it still. And then I'm letting my arm do the work. Again, really nice edge in my opinion on that blade. And my buddy Distorted Edge Shaving, Jason Bryan, just did a video just recently, and I believe it might have been with his ale. And I don't remember which one of the Strike Gold Shave scents he used. I don't remember which one, but I know that he's really liking the products too. Again, I'm not sure if he's got the vegan base or the towel, but we're really impressed with it. finding with this, I can add a fair bit of water to it, and it's not killing my lather at all. I often don't do a third pass on my cheeks. Like I said, they don't fill in as my neck that definitely fills in. So I spend more time just trying to get that cleaned up. And my grain grows this way, so it's a little bit, what do I usually do? Just squeeze the excess out. And just lather it on there. Because for a lot of guys, this is the pass that's going to cause irritation. You've got the soap. Use it. Ace it on there. Pass number 3, my funny face pass. Nice. The girlfriend and I are going out for supper tonight to celebrate. She just sold her house. Doesn't close for another few weeks, but she just closed her house. And we're going to go look at some apartments tomorrow. And yeah, hopefully we're looking to do that in another couple of months. She'll be staying at my apartment for now, unless we can find something that we want immediately. Almost BBS. I know a lot of guys, especially with a straight razor, if you get it to the skin, great. If you can't, they go for DFS, a damn fine shave. They're very happy with that. So, lots of soap left. I mean, I didn't build up off the pot there. I didn't do a big load on that. And still got lots of soap. And we're back and we're cleaned up. And I've got to reapply mustache wax. I'll do that later on. I'm going to wash it out. I'm trying to get the most soap out of my mustache, my goatee. No weepers. Very close on this side. This side not so much, but always a problem. Most of the soap off my shirt, so lab into the little sampler here. And as always, when I'm done here, I'll go downstairs and get my girlfriend's opinion and see what she thinks of this. Yeah, that's alcohol based. A little bit of burn. Overall. Yeah, it's nice. Very nice. Thank you, Frank. Thank you, Jennifer. Very, very nice shave. Really happy with that. So, we're going to give you guys a very quick recap here. What we used today was Strike Gold Shave Ike shave like a president. This is a vegan base coming out with a tallow base. Commander-in-Chief, they're calling it. Available on Strike Gold Shave Etsy page and West Coast Shaving very soon. Made exclusively for them by Jennifer and Marting. West Coast Shaving Tortoise Shell. This is a sea foam, and this is 24mm synthetic. My Jared Français Thirsty Badger Lather Bowl, which I'm loving. And compliments of Frank. Gold Dollar 209. Frank's Edge, cleaned it up. Back stabilizer. Very smooth, very comfortable. Shave, by the way, very happy with it. So, anyway, guys, I hope I was able to introduce a product you may not be as familiar with. And yeah, you guys have an awesome week. We'll see you again in a few days. Take care.